Welcome back to AI Grid Lab. Let me ask you something real quick. Do you currently carry two pairs of glasses? One to see clearly and another pair just to look cool or try new tech? Well, Meta finally figured it out. Just a few days ago, Meta and Ray-Ban dropped something unexpected. This isn't some futuristic concept. They announced that smart glasses are about to replace your everyday glasses. Until now, we thought AI glasses were just cool gadgets, but Meta is turning them into daily essentials. What if I told you that the glasses on your nose right now could not only help you see better, but also track your meals, summarize messages, and translate conversations in real time? Meta just unveiled two new AI glasses, the Blayzer Optics Gen 2 and Scriber Optics Gen 2. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know. These aren't some far future prototypes. They are real products. The Ray-Ban Meta Blayzer Optics and Scriber Optics, part of the Gen 2 lineup. But here's what's different this time. Prescription-ready design. In the past, smart glasses were bulky, heavy arms, uncomfortable nose pads. You could never wear them all day. This time, Meta focused on comfort and fit. First, they added adjustable nose pads. Small detail, huge impact. Everyone's nose is different, and now you can customize the fit. Second, they included overextended hinges. The arms can flex outward an extra 10 degrees. If you have a wider face, no more squeezing. Third, these glasses support almost all prescription types. Meta says they support nearly all prescriptions, including high-index lenses and progressives. The starting price is $499 in the US. Think about it. A normal pair of Ray-Ban prescription glasses already cost $200 to $300. You're paying a small premium for a full AI assistant and cameras. Pre-orders started March 31st, and wide availability is expected mid-April. Hardware is just half the story. The real magic is in the software updates. Meta is moving the AI from a toy to a tool. First, hands-free meal logging. You're having lunch. Instead of pulling out your phone, you just look at your food and ask, "Hey Meta, how many calories are in this?" It tells you instantly and logs it. For fitness people, this is huge. Second, WhatsApp message summaries. No more unlocking your phone to read 50 messages. You just ask, "Hey Meta, catch me up on my chats." The AI summarizes everything hands-free. And here's the important part. It uses on-device processing with end-to-end encryption. That means it's both private and convenient. Third, expanding navigation and translation. Navigation is rolling out across more US cities. Live translation is improving too. Imagine talking to someone who speaks a different language, and your glasses quietly translate in your ear. Let's talk business. According to industry data, Meta already had around 76 to 85% of global smart glasses shipments in 2025. They are the market leader by a massive margin. So why this move? Because competitors are coming: Apple, Samsung, and others. Meta's strategy is simple. Don't invent a new gadget. Replace an old one. Billions of people already wear glasses every single day. For them, switching to Meta's glasses doesn't require changing habits. You just swap your old frames for new smart ones. That's the genius of the partnership with EssilorLuxottica, the company behind Ray-Ban. When you go to buy prescription glasses, the optician might hand you these by default. Of course, let's keep it real. These glasses still don't have a display. Everything is voice and audio. You get around 8 hours of battery life, up to 48 hours with the charging case. That's good, but it's still an assistant, not a full AR device yet. But the direction is clear. Meta is pulling AI out of your phone screen and putting it into the real world. If you are already planning to buy new prescription glasses, or if you've been curious about smart glasses, the Blayzer and Scriber are definitely worth watching in mid-April. Now I want to hear from you. Would you spend around $500 on a pair of AI glasses that replace your everyday prescription glasses? Or do you think it's still too early? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Grid Lab, and hit the bell so you don't miss future deep dives. I'll see you in the next video.